Akamba maitu ningumukethia bonthe bala mwi mwamukiata na mutindiata nikwatia kila mundu aende nesa ni mubea mwingi muno nundu wa support yenyu kwa Kamba Udaku TV athimoi muno na twendei na kusapotia na twendei na kukilanya ta mbai ya mukamba nimwetete story ya BS Kaviro versus President Ruto twendaona hii ilona asomie balua ana respondi yata Kaviro ethitwe ikulwa na Kamba nituonie watu abalua ndwapokelewa nesa wethia president atebo na tuyamanya undu kwaendie wa postpone wewa sijui unengane balua sijui nubingwa na nusungiwa so twetela tukwate feedback but tuyakwata feedback later on mwei wa mwanza niguo president wisio respond nienda twambosoma statement yeba then discuss kila mundu free kwete opinion yake mwaithukisya nesa na mawoni ma side yakwa na nyu mwete mawoni ma side yenyu tumanye kuku kubangwa kana andu makatetheka so nienda soma a paragraph yeba then tuyende. On the 2nd of July 2026, His Excellency the President responded to BS Kaviro petition to declare cancer a national disaster. In his letter, the government has recognized the concerns we raised, concerns that touch the lives of thousands of families across our nation. The President acknowledged that the urgent challenges we highlighted, the high cost of cancer care, delayed diagnosis, unequal access to treatments, services, and the crushing financial hardship faced by affected families. These are not abstract issues, they are the daily realities of our brothers, sisters, parents, and children. While the government has advised that declaring cancer a national disaster may not be the most appropriate instrument, since cancer is a chronic, non-communicable disease requiring sustained long-term investment, it has assured us that the fight against cancer remains a national priority. This fight demands prevention, early detection, timely diagnosis, effective treatment, palliative care, financing, and workforce development. It requires strengthening the entire health system, not just an emergency response. The President has reaffirmed that Kenya already has strong policy, legal and institutional frameworks to guide this response. This includes the Kenya Cancer Policy 2019 to 2030, the National Cancer Control Strategy 2023 to 2027, the Cancer Prevention and Control Act, and dedicated institutions such as National Cancer Institute of Kenya. Further, investigation has been made to strengthen financial protection through the Social Health Authority, ensuring that families are not left alone to bear the heavy burden of cancer care. His Excellency expressed appreciation for the courage and selflessness shown in campaigning the cause of cancer patients. He assured us that the issues we raised will continue to inform the government's efforts to strengthen cancer prevention, screening, diagnosis, treatment, and care. My fellow citizens, this is not the end of our journey. It is the beginning of a stronger, united fight against cancer. Together with the government's commitment and our collective voice, we can ensure that no Kenyan is left behind in the struggle for life and dignity. Guys, nimwewe story yesu ya cancer na kwa kweli poba habe na issue mbingi muno nienda mwiwe party ya government of Kenya. The Ministry of Health has advised that a declaration of cancer as a national disaster is not considered the most appropriate policy instrument. Pa iwe kwatyo pa ekaine mutavye guys pai wikwatyo at all nundu kindu cha mbere motion yo yetiwe on table na Kamba na imwe isi majority ma Kamba me side ya opposition yune mukulia kindu kile mwana kina muthia majority me opposition na Kamba imo maetie motion for sure ona nicho kitumi twambie kuiginoiwa ona kulika State House nimuonie kindu chutu yiginoiwa na tiati ba ya uluba iyando upaiya Kamba mebu lakini mbona itwa iginoiwa na kulika bo haya na mbona be andu mai aware prezo ndai around na maya uniform kabiro makamwe mosumbe ndai around ambo tulia kiasi wikiata wobie netuko communicate na kututabie ukende ndisika na muonie story ya Trufena undu yako niwe kindu kiima cooperation nimuonie kuyundu ma cooperate ya muonie kana kuka kasifikata na wethia niko ke on top but time ya kabiru ona kindu kiki yao so serious na icho kindu kila important ona kuichucha Trufena of course kanza ni white ando ingi family siete ando ingi muno ona uka count like majority maiti ando more through cancer na cancer ikeutia ya fieka kila kindu musi ukethia musi wa imali yani mwina hopes mundu wakaboa mukamuitia mali la yonthe ya manthi wa musi uswika thela makatwika ingi maskini paube siana siendo soma cancer ya mina kila kindu na bado mundu usuwe niwe wakwe alafu mundu ndaete motion ya muthembo ndambi ukitwa kau uthithio na kubikia president bethi na nelaweso mubikia pandu ba ukwata a very positive feedback uthithia ni tatanishi ndabie ivinda yuyo honde prezo wakwati habari ino ya motion ya cancer awareness mbona unatekie ivinda yuyo honde kuma Feb ngina July talabe miyana alafu nende ukio respond alafu noto iwe ruma kana nukuthike twi in few days to come na niwo decide Ukambani kulikuwa na hii na hii na hii na sikuwa respond so I have to respond how watu wasinipige vita nimesi by the way nimesi of course maigino kindu na mundu sunu kwenda visit places of course Akamba makaete chaos onatia Kamba okate kai place yongi bado niete wathina niki mbona waitu iginoye na bana uko tunenga promise ingi tuteseka na uka fulfill nundu already kembwa kini kindu very important na mwina aki take that serious how can you take a promise that serious sangi memba wa maikito nena kindu chukibite but ni kitu ya maana sana kabiro ekie kindu cha maana lakini andu macho sio like no sindo normal kindu kina heavyweight but ni thetwe saa utetheka teka kindu kicha sukumi wondu baile na andu makethi wanangwata nionesa imagine at least tungesikizwa kidogo hata kama sio sana aya kindu kingi twailembwa pia na akili yacho cancer ndi so declared as a national disaster nundu ina more expenses sia treatments imwe ya cancer ina a lot of expenses na pesa isu makatila maundu ma ete cancer kethia andu mayu spend a lot pesa isu mona andu mayunya makayu treat wa chao peundu ichangia kutumika silikalini na saidi isu ikatilwa ete mbwa ni matibabu free kila kindu free niwe semeona ni loss ndini wa ndi kwa lazima pia mambe kwa assume about everything na bado ando mind kunya mbesa muvuko meithithiti lakini how long will it take ando medrain wangi nende nundu kanza yaya ilembwa by the way priority ando make kwa screening mana kila kindu chonde ukethia ndu wa pain mwe ni wa screen wa free of charge ninisha ni sumona sai sio thukuma ni mononi ondu NHIF yekiwe ando mana university na NHIF like ando mambe kwikia mbesa cia kuitwa NHIF tene mwingi muno mundu tu ya thukuma makambuni miaka ona 40 atui atilawa mbesa cia NHIF inokie yatilika imwe tuinekulia mbesa isu ciendieva yatililu na kwavindaniwa SHA yasenswe into SHA nisu saingi withi wisi wendete yitwa na SHA nundu no mevia ukethio na thiku yiticha ikabidi ikaoforce unote na mbesa mbao ukoveloni uyuka yitwe. Just imagine wisani we mbesa ila utuwe wivai siendieva like saingi nthi yitu yona mathina maingi na maweku maingi na yutu ya siatwikiata nthi yitu ni ina maweku maingi muno pyu kou ivinda ila tuonie ngewa ya balua ya vindiwa kuma February nginya nini isu ya itoto show ya ni twa reject iwe isu ya rejection kabisa na story isu ya delile yu ya mucha nondu prezo endete kitui na ekilia yuma bo withi ba imundu ku entertain withi uni wathela na tuika wiwe itangazo ingi wa kansa kana chau ati maisi nimesika na kansa ni ku drain ando nimesika na kansa ni waite ando muno na ikindu mailo ki stop lakini mayenda nundu imeona ni kindu ki spend a lot of money ko meenda ando ma spend you nundu teka nasio mayenda ando mabiniwe to such extent wenga ine woku tuonea usio wake nundu kansa na yithitwe yi wasio na kwiukimu kansa no ungi wa kutatanisha yani utia mundu ina shock ko ithie akatwetele tumane prezo ethi kitui ndi si Friday yi kana ni ndi twiwe we ethia nene asiata ekani mutavia andu ala me survive na kansa na andu ala mena mbesa wasisia na ni anyang'nyong awaye kansa ndi miaka mingi muno na kansa saingi ya ukwata kwanza yembe stage 4 umbwa we 50-50 ku survive kana kuthela lakini we no survive ite miaka sio nthe kwanza bevinda wa musiti andu makasia hu mundu no ku survive but imagine bado sahi yako strong why favor yake ni akona pesa anaweza kujitreat vizuri atolewe Kenya athike mbweni India akaitwe atumie ndawa nzeo cia quality lakini ikulie mundu wibanthi mundu onoteona breakfast saingi na iwa kwatwa ikansa mundu ucio so survivata mundu ucio so survivata kembwa na leunda afford no ku afford ndawa ya ngili kila muthenya tell me ona ena andu mome uthukuma na so manage ko yani ndongo icio kamba isiele ukwatana muno na ti ndongo icio kamba sisio kanundu kansa ndi ukamba wiwoka ni worldwide ko andu maileo sana muno leaders na makembwa me strong na maka face the government nesa makailesia thina nundu thina ni thina muthuku muno family ni wetio masikini mwingi wetie pain in families andu they were hopeless nundu maina utethio wote anyway akamba maitu nengei opinion yenu kwa comment section numonda bie nundu president wa ICA kana kendo chune chailu kana be any hopes akana kosa kendo that serious with the at least andu ni maeka kuya with the at least misi yaeko thela umasikini waeko lika misieni I wish tu ese kuika kendo na choto ase kweli no nesi lili lakini hivi hii ndo maombi tu tukitesia yendo no maombi maingi meende kanundu pia be ndo tupushi tutumia kithui ukethio na tu succeed anyway nenge mawoni menu comment section na imo bya mwingi muno kwa my new subscribers asante muno athimo ina ngai aimonekania for my returning subscribers nimbani always grateful mwikole ku press notification icon bell yesu nikendala na upload video ukenda we wambe kuimbwa we notified athimo muno na muyimbwa na ebindeseo